This is Manju.
This is Gayatri.
Welcome to our channel
GK Study Time.
GK General Knowledge. In this channel, we are going to learn about general knowledge topics.
Hope you enjoy it and like it. Today we will have a quiz on European countries. As we have already covered European countries, their capital and facts. So today's quiz will be on these topics.
Okay, let's start. I'll ask you first.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. What is the capital of Romania?
Capital of Romania is Bucharest.
Okay, correct. The second one is a small country bounded by France, Germany and Belgium.
A country bounded by France, Germany and Belgium
Yes, three
is
countries.
Luxembourg.
Correct. What is the capital of Luxembourg?
Luxembourg.
City. Okay. The third one. Ukraine has its coastline with which sea?
Black Sea.
Okay. Which is the landlocked country between France and Spain?
Andorra.
Okay. What's the capital of Andorra?
Andorra la Vella.
A sewing machine was invented by this country. That is which country?
Austria.
Okay. Which is the second youngest country?
Kosovo.
Okay. Kosovo, we already have done this. The latest youngest country is South Sudan and second youngest country is Kosovo. Where did Mother Teresa born and which year?
Mother Teresa was born in Moldova in 1910.
Correct. Which country has never changed its name?
Bulgaria.
Yes, Bulgaria. What are the transcontinental countries and how many are there?
Okay. There are 5 transcontinental countries. They are Russia, Turkey, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Kazakhstan.
Yeah, I said already we have discussed transcontinental countries are those countries which come under 2 continents. All these 5 countries fall under Asia continent as well as Europe continent. So then are said to be as transcontinental countries. So next. The last place on the earth to be settled by humans.
Iceland.
Yes. Greenland is a politically part of
Denmark.
okay, and physically it is a part of
North American continent.
actually physically it's a part of North American continent. It doesn't comes under Europe continent, but politically it is a part of Denmark. What are the 3 countries that fall under Arctic Circle?
Okay, the 3 countries that fall under Arctic Circle are Norway, Sweden and Finland.
Yes, these all 3 come under Arctic Circle. They are very extreme cold. What is the capital of Malta?
It is Valett.
Okay, where is it located? Can you give me a brief description?
Malta is located in the Mediterranean Sea.
Yes. Which country has natural caves and underground river?
No, sorry.
Okay. Slovakia.
Okay.
Balton Lake is found in okay, no problem. Hungary. So,
Okay.
these were the questions you couldn't answer to.
Now I'll ask you the questions. Okay.
Let's start.
Okay. So the first question, capital of Luxembourg.
It's a Luxembourg city.
Okay. Next question is capital of Ireland.
Reykjavik.
No, wrong. It's Dublin.
Oh, Acha, Reykjavik is Iceland capital.
Yes.
Okay, I have gone wrong.
Okay. Third question is capital of Sweden.
Stockholm.
Correct. Fourth question. What are the two countries located in middle of Italy?
Vatican City, San Marino.
Correct. Fifth question. Capital of Austria.
Austria. Vienna.
Correct. Sixth question is, in this country, ball pen and Rubik's cube was invented.
Hungary.
Correct. Seventh question, capital of Switzerland.
Bern.
Correct. Eighth question, what is the capital of Greece?
Athens.
Correct. Ninth question, what is the capital of Czech Republic? Okay.
Czech Republic. Sorry.
Okay. It's
Paraguay.
Paraguay.
Okay.
Okay. 10th question is, the heaviest building on earth is located in which country?
Bulgaria.
Wrong.
Oh, sorry,
It's
Romania.
Romania.
Okay.
11th question, what is the capital of Belarus?
Belarus. It's all blur for me now. Minsk.
Correct. 12th question, what is the area of Vatican City?
It's 0.49 square miles.
Okay, correct. 13th question, which is the 9th largest country of Europe?
Poland.
Correct. 14th question, capital of Latvia?
Latvia. Riga. Am I right?
Correct.
Yeah.
15th question is, which country has the third most powerful passport?
Finland.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah. This is the third most powerful country to have a strong passport, Finland, after Germany and Switzerland. Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the questions, quiz.
Okay.
Okay, so we have done with the quiz, and to know more better about the country's answers, we'll check it out in the map. Let's start. I'll start with my questions.
Okay.
What is the capital of Romania?
Okay. So Romania is located over here and its capital is Bucharest.
Okay, this is the Romania and Bucharest. Next question is small country, the boundaries with France, Germany and Belgium.
Okay, so that country is Luxembourg and it is located here.
Okay.
Belgium is located here, Germany and France.
What's the capital of Luxembourg?
Luxembourg City.
Yeah. Next is Ukraine has its coastline with which sea?
Okay, so this is Ukraine and Ukraine has its coastline with Black Sea.
Yeah. The whole area is Black
Black
Sea.
Sea.
Next is which is the landlocked country between France and Spain?
Okay, so this is
again a
France.
very small country.
This is Spain and the landlocked country is Andorra. It is located here.
And its capital city is?
Andorra la Vella.
Yeah. Next, sewing machine was invented by which country?
Sewing machine was invented by Austria.
Yeah, Austria. Which is the second youngest country?
Okay, so the second youngest country is Kosovo and it is located here.
Yeah. Kosovo was a part of Serbia. In 2008, it exists as an independent country from Serbia. So this is known as the second youngest country. First youngest country is South Sudan. That is getting independent. That got independence in 2011. So that is the most youngest, and this is the second youngest. Okay. Next, Mother Teresa born in which country and which year?
Okay, Mother Teresa was born in Moldova in 1910.
10.
And Moldova is located here.
Okay. Which is the country which never changed its name? It's Bulgaria.
So Bulgaria is located here.
Okay. Which are the 5 transcontinental countries?
Okay, so the 5 transcontinental countries are Turkey, Russia, Kazakhstan,
Okay.
Georgia, and Azerbaijan.
Yeah. The last place on the earth which humans have been conquered.
Okay, so it is Iceland.
Yeah, it's as it is too cold, it was very late to conquer. Greenland is politically part of.
Greenland is a politically part of Denmark.
Yeah, it's a part of Denmark, and physically it's a part of North America. What are the 3 countries that fall under Arctic Circle?
Okay, so the 3 countries which fall in Arctic Circle are Norway, Sweden, and Finland.
Yeah. Where is the what is the capital of Malta?
Malta.
Yeah.
Malta's capital is Valet, and Malta is located here in the Mediterranean
Central
Sea.
Mediterranean Sea. Yeah. Which are the which country has natural caves and underground river? Slovakia.
Okay, so Slovakia is located here.
And it is one of the landlocked country.
Okay.
Balkan Lake is located in
Hungary, and Hungary is located here.
Okay. So these were my questions. Now let's move to your questions. Let's locate all the answers on the map.
Okay.
Capital of Luxembourg.
Okay, so Luxembourg is located here.
And its capital is Luxembourg City. Capital of Ireland.
Okay, capital of Ireland is Dublin, and Ireland is located here.
Yes. What is the capital of Sweden?
Sweden's capital is Stockholm, and Sweden is located here.
These all 3 countries are known the happiest country. Which are the 2 countries that locate in the middle of Italy?
Okay, so this is Italy, and the 2 countries which are located in the center of Italy is San Marino and Vatican City.
Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. It is hardly 0.49 square miles.
Okay.
The next is in this country ball pen and Rubik cubes were invented. Where is that?
So it is Hungary.
Yeah. What's the capital of Austria?
Austria is located here, and its capital is Vienna.
What is the capital of Czech Republic?
So capital of Czech Republic is Paraguay, and Czech Republic is located here.
And it is a landlocked country in the Central Europe. The heaviest building in the world is located in Romania.
Yes,
It's Romania.
It is located in Romania, and Romania is located here.
Yes. What's the capital of Belarus?
Okay. Belarus capital is Minsk, and Belarus is located here.
Okay. It is the neighboring country. It has borders with Russia. Which is the largest country of Europe? 9th largest country of Europe.
So 9th largest country of Europe is Poland.
Capital of Latvia.
It is Estonia.
Latvia capital is Riga.
Oh, sorry, it's Riga, and Latvia is located here.
Okay. This country has the third most powerful passport?
Okay, so it is Finland, and Finland is located here.
And what is the capital of Greece?
Capital of Greece is Athens, and
Yeah.
Greece is located here.
So these are all the maps located on the map. Countries located on the map. Okay.
Okay.
Hope you enjoy.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope this video add value to your general knowledge.
Please make sure to subscribe the channel and click on the notification bell and smash on the like button.
We'll see you in the next video.